guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing awesome. In today's video, I'll show you how to get booster crafting in eFootball mobile so you can improve your player skills faster. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know how to get booster crafting, and let's dive right into the video. First, open eFootball on your mobile and simply log into your account. Now, when you are on the home page or the main page, simply go to My Team, and here you'll find all your game plans and players. Simply go to your players option, continue it, and once you tap on the one of your players, all your players options will be available here. Once you are in here, this is where all booster items are managed, so you can put booster items into your player through here. Booster crafting allows you to combine items to create more powerful boosters. Tap craft to see what combinations are available. You can get crafting materials from events, missions, or booster pack. Collect enough materials to craft the booster you need, and select the materials and confirm crafting as usual. The new booster will appear in your inventory and ready to apply to your players right away. You can add those boosters to any player that you want from the My Team option, and go to game plan, and you can add it to any player you want. And that's how you can get booster crafting in eFootball mobile. Use boosters strategically to enhance your team. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more videos, and comment which booster you find most useful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.